So the other day I went out and hiked North Collins Trail out here in Portland, and it was a good time. I had a fun time, and I recorded a video and wanted to share it with everybody because it seemed like people really liked the first one, and I thought they might like this one too. So enjoy.
So many roads to follow, and so many rivers to see, and so many mountains and bays, oh, them stars on display. Come run away with me. And so many trails to step upon, so many peaks to reach, so many colors and coves, tiny islands to roam. Now come run away with me, 'cause I've been thinking this town ain't what it used to be, and I've been dreaming of campfires under alpine
I actually took this trail a few days ago, back when it wasn't raining, but it was so nice and pretty that I thought I'd come back and make a video of it.
Too much time stuck in the city, and too many days lost to a screen. Subways and trains, tall buildings and cranes, that's gonna drive a man insane. For I need a week out in the woodland with a lantern and kerosene, pine cones and sparks, September dark. And come run away with me, 'cause I've been thinking this town ain't what it used to be, and I've been dreaming of campfires under alpine trees and sunsets over Lake Louise. And I've been thinking this town where we both should be, and I've been wondering if you're wandering this world.
Does anybody else just get the feeling that there's someone behind them, like someone watching them, you know? There's nobody on this trail. When I park, there's not a single car here. It's just me. And yet for some reason I feel like there's someone behind me, just watching me.
Campfires under alpine trees and sunsets over Lake Louise. And are you wandering this world with me? Now come run away with me. And so many roads to follow, and so many rivers to see, and so many mountains and bays, oh, them stars on display. Come run away with me.